Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Both the queens of King Uttanapada, namely Suniti and Suruchi, along with his other son, Uttama, appeared in the procession. The queens were seated on a palanquin. After the departure of Dhruv Maharaj from the palace, the king was very afflicted, but by the kind words of Saint Narad he was partially satisfied. He could understand the great fortune of his wife Suniti and the great misfortune of Queen Suruchi, for these facts were certainly very open in the palace. But still, when the news reached the palace that Dhruv Maharaj was returning, his mother, Suniti, out of her great compassion and due to being the mother of a great Vaishnav, did not hesitate to take the other wife, Suruchi, and her son, Uttama, on the same palanquin. That was the greatness of Queen Suniti, the mother of the great Vaishnav Dhruv Maharaj.